So Intramuros was built 1571. So the reason the Spaniards why they built Intramuros is to protect all the pure blood Spanish that going to live there in Asia. So if you want to live here inside before, you need to be a pure blood Spanish. If not, 6 p.m. you need to move outside.
Wow.
So this building in our left side, this is the second oldest university in the Philippines. Colegio de San Juan de Letran as in storage for ammunition for the guns and cannons. So as of now, Intramuros is 80% reconstructed, 20% original. When the Japanese occupied Intramuros in 1942 to 1945, American dropped bombs. They destroyed 80% of Intramuros. King Philip II, a former king of Spain. That's why many Filipinos are petitioning to change the name of the country. Because the name is a name of a former king of Spain. Philippine national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal, study here ophthalmology. At 12 midnight, you will be accompanied by paranormal experts.
Oh, wow.
So it's like a ghost hunting tour.
November 1st, October 31st.
Here, it's November 2.
Oh, November 2.
November 1 is All Souls Day.
Okay.
Go to 1945.
Oh my
As
goodness.
stand, both of you stand here, I'll take photo for you.
Okay, take a photo.
Old residents of Intramuros, they said that the things inside here are documents that will testify who's the traitor during the Japanese War.
Oh, wow. Who's the traitor? Wow, that's crazy.
Wow.
It's normal to use the N-words because we do have Filipino, ethnic Filipinos that's still living in the mountain. They have black skin, curly hair.
Oh, wow.
So it's like you can see a black American but Filipino, Asian type.
Yeah.
So it's normal for us. But you know that it's not appropriate.
Wow. Original building. Only original building in Intramuros. Built in.
Inside the museum, you will see the top one, the one who painted Spolario.
Ah. Wow.
We called him the Casey Ming.
That is a painting, not carved.
So in this restaurant, there's a time that while you're eating, you can watch live Filipino cultural dance.
Oh.
Like this.
Ah.
If you want to make a mirror shot.
Oh, that's so pretty.
There's a big mirror of it. You can take it.
Wow. And a third
We have
floor.
an entrance to 75.
Huh?
So give me the ticket.
Oh, okay.
If you want to visit 5 Museum, we suggest you need to be. If you guys are from USA maybe. President before.
Oh.
But the most famous president is this two. That guy on the left side of the woman with the reading glasses,
Uh-huh.
and the last guy. This one is the president that always talk bad during the interview. He's the foul mouth president, and this guy, this is the dictator of the Philippines. Even he's a dictator, he's the best president of the Philippines.
Oh, wow.
During his time, that's martial law.
Even though he's a dictator,
Yeah.
he's the best?
Yeah.
Oh.
During his time, martial law.
Martial law.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
But the good thing, Japanese cannon.
Oh, wow.
So the Japanese put it here.
Yeah.
Originally, it's from the worship of the Japanese.
Yeah.
They put it here to defense against American airplanes.
Oh, wow.
So anti-aircraft.
What a view, eh?
Shock Tong or Shock Hok Tong, a Chinese medicinal wine. Because in the old days, Filipino, we don't have medicine for internal use, only external. But Limpako family, a Chinese family, introduced Shock Tong for medicine, wine medicine. So right now, this is a museum. The entrance fee is 100 pesos.